In this video, I will show you how to solve word problems of different types of proportion. If you are not familiar with the different types of proportion, please watch my video about the types of proportion. I will post the link in the description box below. So let's start. So the number one problem here is a certain recipe requires 6 pounds of potato to serve 10 people. How much potato is required to serve 25 people at a certain party? So this type of problem is direct proportion problem. Bakit? Kasi as you can see in the problem, if you analyze it, so as one value increases, the another value increases also. So direct proportion siya, or pag nag-decrease yung isa, magdi-decrease din yung isa. So paano i-solve yung ganitong problem? So we have to find the product of the extreme values and equate it to the product of the means. Ano ba yung sinasabi kong extreme at means? So for example, meron tayong ratio na x sub 1 is to y sub 1 and equal sa x sub 2 is to y sub 2. Ano yung extremes dyan? So yung extremes dyan ay yung nasa outer, which is x sub 1 and y sub 2. So hanapin mo yung product ng x sub 1 and y sub 2. Then equate mo yon dun sa product ng means, which is y sub 1 and x sub 2, yung nasa inner part. So ngayon, let's solve this problem. So let x natin will be the potato. And yung y natin will be the people. So what will be the value of x sub 1 here? So kung mapapansin nyo, yung x natin ay potato. So ano ba yung unang potato or value ng potato na binanggit? So which is 6 is to 10. Kung mapapansin nyo, nandito siya. Is equal to, the missing value is x sub 2 kasi wala tayo nung isa pang value nung potato, which is yung x natin. So x sub 2, sa copy mo lang, so is to 25 people. So para malaman natin kung ilang pounds ng potato ang kailangang i-serve sa 25 people, so gawin natin yung computation ng direct proportion. So product of extreme values or extremes, so 6 multiplied by 25 is equal to 10 multiplied by x sub 2. So by dividing both sides by 10, so ang x sub 2 natin is equal to, multiply muna natin yung 6 and 25, equal yon sa 150 over 10. So ang x sub 2 natin ay equal sa 15. So ano tong 15? So itong 15, ito yung potatoes. So kailangan natin ng 15 potatoes para makaserve ng 25 people dun sa certain party. So yun yung question number 1. So punta tayo sa question number 2. So question number 2, if 8 men can do a certain carpentry job in 12 days, how many men will be required to do the same job in 16 days? Kung mapapansin nyo naman dito, this type of problem is inverse proportion. Bakit? Kasi as one value increases, so nagdi-decrease naman yung isa, or vice versa. So let's solve this problem. Pero paano ba sinusolve yung problem na to? So we have to find the product or equate the products of ratios. So for example, meron tayong x sub 1 is to y sub 1 is equal to x sub 2 is to y sub 2. So we have to find the product of this ratio and this ratio. So let muna natin yung x Ano yung x natin? Yung men. And yung y natin equals sa days. Then, ano yung unang nabanggit na men? Ilang ang value yun? Which is 8 is to 12. Then, ang nawawala ulit yung x sub 2. Which is x sub 2 is to 16. So, we have to find the product of each ratio. So, yun naman yung condition sa inverse proportion. So, 8 times 12 is equal to 16 times 8 x sub 2, 16x sub 2. Ayan. So, multiply na natin yung 8 and 12. So, 8 times 12 is 96 equals sa 16x squared. So, by dividing both sides by 16, so, ang x sub 2 natin, so this will be cancel out kasi magkatulad sila. Then, 96 divided by 16 is equal to what number? So, ang mangyari ay 6. So, ano yung 6 na yan? So, ibig sabihin, ito ay 6 men yung kailangan natin para magawa yung same job nung nandun sa isang condition for 16 days. So, 6 men yung sagot natin dito. So, I hope naiintindihan niyo pa. So, let's move to our last problem. So, a certain man wants to leave his 3 children an estate amounting to 7,312,500 in the ratio 2:3:4. The eldest receiving the highest while the youngest child receiving the lowest. How much will each child receive? So this type of problem is partitive proportion. Why? As you can see in this problem, 7,312,500, yun yung whole quantity natin. And the ratio is 2:3:4, which is yun yung part nung bawat anak niya, which is yung youngest, middle, and the eldest. So, yun yun. So, how do we solve this problem? So, let x will be the amount of each part. And then, sabi dito, eldest will be receiving the highest amount. And then, the youngest will be receiving the lowest amount. In this ratio, the highest value is 4. So, yun yung sa eldest. And yung 2 yung sa lowest naman ay yung sa youngest. And yung 3 ay yun yung sa middle child. So, 2x will be the part of the youngest child. And then 3x will be the part of the middle child. Middle child. And 4x naman will be the part of the eldest child. So, paano natin siya isa-solve? So, according sa formula ng partitive proportion, so we have to equate the sum of the parts to the whole quantity. Ano ba yung whole quantity natin dito? Yung whole quantity natin ay 7,312,500. So, eto yung mga parts. So, sum natin ngayon. So, 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 7,312,500. So, combine like terms. 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 9x is equal to 7,312,500. So, by dividing both sides by 9, this will be cancelled. Then, x natin is equal to, siyempre, kailangan natin ng calculator dito. So, 7,312,500 divided by 9. So, ang x natin ay 812,500. Ito pa lang yung x. which is yung x natin ay amount of each part. Ang tanong, how much will each child receive? So, bawat yung child, yung eldest, youngest, and yung middle child. Meron tayo ditong 2x, 3x, and 4x. Substitute natin ngayon yung 812,500 dun sa x ng bawat part. So, 2 times 812,500, then 3 times 812,500, then 4 times 812,500. So, ilan natin yan? I-multiply natin. Hanapin natin yung product. So, 812,500 times 2. So, marireceive ng youngest ay 1,625,000. And then, yung middle child naman ay 2,437,500. And then, yung eldest naman ay 3,250,000. So, kung gusto nyo siyang i-check, so, re-receive nung bawat bata doon sa iniwan ng kanilang nung man ay doon sa youngest ay 1,625,000, yung sa middle naman 2,437,500, and dun sa eldest ay 3,250,500. Kung isasum natin yan, tingnan natin, i-check natin. Kung siya ay sakto sa 7,312,500. So, 1,625,000 plus 2,437,500 plus 3,250,500. 250,000 lang pala. So, equal yan sa 7,312,500. So, tama yung sagot natin. Okay. Always remember that each type of proportion has own unique application. So, lagi nyo lang i-identify which part or which type of proportion yung problem na sinasagutan nyo before proceeding of using formula. Kasi malilito kayo or mamamali kayo. So, yun lang naman yung lagi nyong tatandaan. So, I hope madami kayong natutunan for this video. So, for more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And click the notification button for upcoming new videos. So, thank you very much.